Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this week's version of Nickels and Dimes, our weekly video series. The quote of the week comes from the most famous artist, Pablo Picasso, who said, our goals can only be reached through a vehicle of a plan in which we must fervently believe and upon which we must vigorously act. There is no other route to success. Quote from Pablo Picasso. Very clearly saying we should have a plan, we should act on it, and we must get the job done per Pablo Picasso. Which leads me to my financial tip of the week, target date funds. What are they and why am I talking about it? Target date funds are mutual funds commonly found in 401k plans. So many of you have an employer-sponsored 401k plan that you may or may not participate in. And over the last bunch of years, target date funds have been very popular. Basically, they're a group of funds that invest money on your behalf based on your risk tolerance and, more importantly, on your target retirement date or assumed target retirement date. So typically, these funds have terms like target date or retirement fund with a specific year, maybe 2040, 2030, 2050, or whatever date you approximately assume you're going to retire. Here's the problem. The problem is, at least based on the study by MarketWatch, over the last 140 years, most target date funds underperform. So you have most Americans, in fact, the study showed that about 70% of U.S. companies automatically enroll employees in these types of funds, and 86% of companies now direct people's money towards these retirement funds. And a study was done over the last 140 years, and they found that 69% of the time, so overwhelmingly the majority of the time, these target date funds underperform an average stock bond, 50% stocks, 50% bond balance fund. So I will tell you, when I speak with folks who are employed, they participate in a 401k plan, I have found overwhelmingly, my personal experiences, most people have money in these target date funds. Why? Because it's just one simple check the box. Here's what I would say to you. If you own a target date fund, you may or may not know, you may consider reinvesting or reallocating some of that money in something else in the 401k plan to the extent, again, it matches your risk tolerance and your rate of return goals. To that end, if you would like a second opinion on your 401k, even to determine if you are invested in retirement date funds, you could send me an email at cnichols@nicholswealth.com or go on our website to learn more at nicholswealth.com. Until next time, check out your 401k to see if you have a retirement date fund and check it out. It may or may not make sense based on a study or history. And actually, I'll link the article that I referenced just now into this post. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.